Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Telegram account without using your own phone number. So it is a simple method, but in a way it's not as simple as you think. So as you can see, to sign up you need a phone number. Okay, so if you don't wanna use your phone number, just simply search for online SIM. Okay, go to this option online sim.y. So you can see from here you can try your free virtual numbers also. Like I'm gonna use a number of Portugal, just select a number of Portugal and you can select a free number. So as you can see, there are written this service doesn't accept SMS on PayPal, see the rules. So there are some conditions. So you can just simply copy the number and just paste on the Telegram sign up option. But one thing you have to make sure, you have to give the Portugal, as you're using Portugal number, and yes, you can just write the number and paste the number and you can try it. But one thing you have to not make sure, there are sometimes the number are not working. Like if you're using the first one, if it doesn't work, go for the second one. So this was the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching the video.